do here is go back. I
don't really know an intro for my channel. This is so I'm a mess. But hey my Freckled Beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be coming to you guys with a, what is it called? It's like a crazy baby hair tutorial, I guess. But as you can see, it's not really much edges that I left out because my friend did my hair and she didn't leave that many edges out, which, you know, people who braid usually don't, and I forgot to tell her, so it is what it is. So I got less edges over here than anything, so let me try to pull some out. I'm going to put a little bit of this oil on my hair, not my actual hair, but like just around the perimeter where my baby hairs are, only because there's a lot of manipulation that I just did to my hair. First, we're going to take some Style Factor Lock Booster, and we're going to use that as the mold. And we're going to place it in the top because, you know, just so we can easily get it out of there. And we're going to use it as the mold. So we're going to go ahead and...
This is not the every color we're going to use the mold. So this right there. And I can see now I got more edges on this side. On the left side. I don't know if this is on the right or left, but on this side. Just so we can see how it's going to lay. Because I'm going to use the scissors. I'm going to think about the edge brush, but trust the process. Okay, so we're going to put that right there. Then after we do that, we're going to do that. Alright, yeah. I see right where I want everything to go. So we're going to go through after that with the edge booster, the actual edge control. And this is in a scent. What scent is this? Oh, citrus scent. It's the citrus scent, and it is the 5-hole period. I need it. So yeah, so now we're going to go ahead and go through and put this on top. As you can see now, it's like, now it's doing the whole edge control thing, because that was just the lock gel. It's not going to do anything with that at all. I know my hair is not going to do it. And then, once we brush it, yeah, we're gonna take some of this out. I don't even care. a little more edge control. And we're going to... A little too much, a little too much. And then tomorrow... Go over it with this because I just like this hose better, but it also flakes sometimes, so that's why I'm going over it with it and not using it for like my whole head. Be careful not to use too much because you don't want to for it to flake or anything, so just use like just enough. And then you're going to merge it in. Also, I just want to mimic the bronzing palette from Beauties because I want to show it.
Okay, so I'm going to set it and then I'm going to take it off and then I'm going to use the lock booster to curl the ends that I didn't put down because it's going to lay down after I put this scarf on there. So. And I'll be back once I feel like it's laid. Okay, y'all, I'm back and I took off my scarf and this is how my edges, my messy edges are looking. I'm gonna scoot up so y'all can get into it because honestly, y'all, I don't know if this light is really posting it. Okay, so this is how it turned out, y'all. I am also going to be recording in the same exact video. I'm just gonna make it 2 parts. A styling, so it's how to style knotless braids. I did a part 1 already on my channel. I'm going to do a second part and I'm gonna do different styles. And tune into that one as well, y'all. Hope y'all like this tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Please keep updated with me, so turn on your post notifications. And yeah, y'all. Thank you for watching.